Hi guys, welcome back to Carter Motor Company. It's still alright for us lads in the trade to get quite excited about a new arrival, and this is definitely one of them. What a rare van this is. The 2021 Vauxhall Movano Tech Shift. It's an automatic, medium roof, medium wheelbase. It's a mobile workshop. Let's have a look around. What a stunning van this is. Direct to us off a business lease, done 87,000 miles. Just have a look how clean inside that cab is. As you can see, the automatic gearbox, it's got front and back parking sensors, it's got a reversing camera, air conditioning. What a lovely, lovely van. It's even got the kilogram button, which means it disperses the power and the gear change on the automatic box depending on the load that you've got. Now have a look in the back. This is where the magic is. This is the mobile workshop. Full modular racking system in the back. Lockable drawers, it's got all loads of shelf space, it's got a hard-wearing floor, which is your checker plate floor. Let me get past you, we'll go back around the other side and have a look in the cab. As I say, this is a very, very rare van. Although it's a workshop and it's ready for work, we could also remove the racking for you if you would like to. This is an ideal camper van with the automatic box and with air conditioning. It can be delivered anywhere in the UK for free. Comes with 12 months MOT, a service, RAC warranty, and breakdown is covered. So, if you're looking to finance this van, we'd need the VAT as a deposit and it would be £73 a week. That's all it is on finance. If you'd like any more information, please ask for Nick or Chris.